Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule Instagram Reels. Now this is a feature that Instagram is just rolling out and you might not have it, but to check to see if you do have it, this is what you would do. So I have a quick reel right here that I would want to post. Now I would click next, and from here you're going to want to scroll all the way down to advanced settings. Right here on the bottom, advanced settings, and you can see right here scheduled content. Click that on, and then you could go ahead and schedule it for whenever you want. Let's just say April 1st as the example, 9 a.m. Just like that, set time, and you could see the schedule has been made. You could toggle it on and off still, and then go ahead and change the dates whenever you please. And then you would go ahead and press schedule on the bottom right here. And just like that, it is uploading. And then you could go ahead and view the reel before it goes up anytime. And if you want to change the schedule at all, you could press the three dots on the top right of the post, the reel, and go ahead and press reschedule. And then you could go ahead and change it to whatever other date you please. And then go ahead and press set time, and it'll change instantly.